Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right in to learn how to track habits with Todoist recurring tasks. Firstly, let's open up your Todoist app and navigate to the Projects tab. This is where we'll establish our habit tracking. The reason we do this is to ensure that each habit has its own space and doesn't get lost among your other tasks. Now that we've done that, click the plus button to add a new project. Name this project something related to the habit you want to track. For instance, if you're aiming to read more, you might name your project Reading. Next up, we're going to add a task. Click on Add Task and type in the name of your task. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to make this a recurring task. To do this, just type in every day or every week or whatever frequency suits your goal right after the task name. This helps us because Todoist will automatically remind you to complete this task on a regular basis, helping you build that habit. Let me explain why this matters. Consistency is key when it comes to habit building. By setting up recurring tasks, you're setting yourself up for success by creating a constant reminder of your goals. Finally, as you complete these tasks day by day, Todoist lets you track your progress. Just click on Activity to see how consistently you've been completing your tasks. The reason we do this is to see our progress and stay motivated on the habit-building journey. And there you have it. You've now set up a recurring task in Todoist to track your habits. Remember, the key to building habits is consistency, and Todoist is a tool that can help you achieve that. Thanks for tuning in, and happy habit building.